smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on. Some sort of window to your right. He goes left and you stay right. Between the lines of fair and blame, you begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed with you all night. Should I know how to save a life? How to save a life? You know you do know best, 'cause after all, you do know best. Try to slip past his defense without granting innocence. Lay down a list of what is wrong, the things you told him all along. And pray to God he hears you. Oh, pray to God he hears you. Now, where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed with you all night. Should I know how to save a life? How to save a life? As he begins to raise his voice, you lower yours, grab him one last chance. Drive until you lose the road, where eagle with the ones you follow. He will do one of two things. He will admit to everything, gonna say that he's just not the same, and you'll begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed with you all night. Should I know how to save a life? Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed with you all night. Should I know how to save a life? How to save a life? Oh, how to save a life? Nice one, thank you. Big up to this band for letting Picture Parlour use their studio.